Okay, I think you should. Okay, this one is bought in POP MART. Yeah, huh? That's okay, it's okay. Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ta-da! Are you ready? We lower the. Lower it. Thanks. Oh, these are the. I think this one doesn't have a. Oh, we have secret. Nice. Batman 352. What is 352 mean? Batman. Red Robin, Red 2. Oh, these are Red 2 also. Oh, Harley Quinn, so cute. But I didn't see properly what when we were in POP MART. Oh yeah, are you ready? Oh, there are 12 also. Okay. Nice. Oh my god. But this one they show the secret here in this box. In this bag, no. Are you ready?
You know you're not got any secrets, huh?
Nope. Oops. Oh no, shoot. Secret, secret. Bubble, bubble. This is our last one here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Secret! Oh, it's Joker.
Okay.
Joker, the new Batman Adventures. Nice. Oh my god, this one looks scary.
Yeah.
Looks scary. Oh yes, oh nice. Oh, the star is the Joker. This one is so nice. Then. Okay, we did the card. I'm gonna open one. I know how to open. Okay, this one looks big. Maybe Harley Quinn.
No, Batman.
No, Harley Quinn. Or Red Robin. Ta-da! Oh, Poison Ivy. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Oh, wow. Orange looks good. It wasn't orange, I thought it's like a red. Nice. Oh, nice. Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah, it is. I like how orange it is. I know how to open it. After so many boxes, I know how to open it. Okay. Oh, this one's lighter. Maybe Riddler. Or the secret one, yes. Oh, there's plastic in it. Okay. Oh, Red Robin. Oh, he maybe has something in his face. What is this? That's so cute. What's in his face?
That's the mask, no?
No, so cute. That's an orange thing. It has a Batman logo in it. So cute.
That's so detailed.
Yeah. Awkward. Next one. This is the fourth one. This one is so easy to open. The other boxes, they were not. Okay, kind of heavy. Maybe still waiting for secret or Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn. Oh, so cute. What is this? A Batman 1966. Why is the eyebrow like this? Is it like this? So cute. Oh, look, wearing shorts. Oh, look at the belt. Nice.
Adam West.
What?
Adam West.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. Nice. 1966. Oh, he's smiling. Oh, okay. Why is he wearing shorts? Okay. This is the fifth one. Come on, let's open. This is lighter. Maybe Catwoman. I think this Catwoman. And oh, so cute. Can
Okay, no more, huh?
Huh?
Okay, no more?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, so cute. See? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. So nice. Okay, wow. Nice. Oh, there's something. Ah, okay. Ah, vault. Cute. Look at the detail of the vault. So nice. I like this also. Oh, so cute. It's like. This one.
Those vault looks nice.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Look at the details of the vault. Okay, I'm opening the. I don't know how many have you opened so far.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So this
But
is
the students know that.
six one. Okay, one is the Batman. Secret. And oh, scary.
It's a scary one, yeah.
You can see the gap. That looks nice. Look at the face. Oh, nice. Very smooth. Oh, like look at the color. See how they have done the color. Nice.
This is a French brand, right?
Yeah, it is. Oh, this the. What is this? Some stick.
Yeah,
What's the stick for?
Huh?
This recently?
What? Yeah, that's the one I was looking for, no?
Uh-huh.
Oh, the dynamites.
Ah.
Supposed to be dynamites.
Okay, next one. This one is easy to open. Okay, this is light.
Great.
Oh, Riddler. Oh, nice. Looks nice.
It looks really nice.
Oh, I know. Oh, nice. I was like, oh, the box. Oh, nice. Really nice. Wow. Awesome.
Oh, the stick. Oh, nice.
Yeah. We're down to the last 5. Secret. Ah. Oh, so cute. Nothing.
No, the secret also is fine because they all are Batman.
Oh, yeah. The remaining.
Remaining.
Oh, nice.
Red Hood.
Yeah. Rent a bit. Oh, it's moving. The wheels are moving.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Wow. Oh, it's so shiny. Oh, there's some dirt in there. Okay, it's so shiny. Oh, nothing else. It's moving. Oh, it can stand. Nice. Okay. Harley Quinn I haven't seen.
Huh?
Harley Quinn.
Oh, nice. Ah, what happened?
Yeah. I haven't seen her.
Yeah.
And all your Batman. And all the Batmans. Batgirl all.
Bad girls. All the villains we got.
Yeah. Harley Quinn. Dun, 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 dun. Oh. It's the first one. Oh, wow. Wow. Nice. Nice finishing. Why is that? Oh, I think I've seen something like this. Like the real collectible, like
All
big
about
one.
that also
Oh, really?
Batman collectibles are the statue.
What is this?
God statue.
Oh, yeah, that one. 352. What is it made of 352? But it looks weird because look at his body. And then the head is like this. Okay, Batman 352. Okay.
It's so built.
Yeah. Okay, last 3. Right down to secret. I think this is Harley Quinn.
This is
Oh, you, it's Harley Quinn. Oh, nice. I really like the how they can do this now, the blue and then the different colors. Nice. Oh wow, look at the back. Still good details, good coloring, good painting. Oh. Nice. Harley Quinn.
Come on, left.
Okay. There you go. I think there's that one. Oh, it's so cute. Nice. Nice. Look at the tie. Shoelaces, I mean.
How do you do that?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Oh, is that only? Ah, okay. Look. Oh wow, there's a footprint. Why is there a footprint?
Oh, he's investigating.
Oh yeah, flashlight it is.
Yeah. So he's investigating the footprint.
That girl. The last one. So only the Batman Crime Alley. Oh, this one's kind of heavy.
Secret or the other.
Yeah. The Crime Alley. Oh, this is a Crime Alley. By the horn it is. Oh wow. Look at that. He's mad. Oh nice. The body looks big. Nice. Look at the painting of the bell. Oh, it can stand like this. Nice. Ooh. He has a cape. What's that cape? Ah, okay. Standing. Where you gonna stand? Oh wow. Oh, look at this.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Like this. Nice. See?
Crime Alley where his parents died.
Ah, okay.
He's
Aside
crying, he's sitting like
yeah.
left outside. Batman.
So there's like a shadow with blood. Ah, so it's this one. Oh, we opened the last one with this one, huh? Gotham is done.